Hello, good evening. Yeah, today I'm making this video for the beginners, totally those who are very new for crochet work. Just they are interested, or we can say they are keen to learn the things. I'm making this video specially for them. Yeah, this is a crochet tool kit, you can say. It contains almost 12 needles of different sizes, plus some markers, stitch markers. There are two types of stitch markers. One is open mouth and the other one is looking like a safety pin. Then tapestry needles are also there. Those are plastic tapestry needles. And one is see, this is called Angulistan, so that you can use it while doing crochet work. When your thread goes up and down, it may hurt your fingers, so it is advisable to wear this. Okay, these are all the things. Let me show you. Now my all needles are given to my students right now. So see, these are the needles. This just uh, example. For an example, I am showing you these needles because many of them are not there in this set. They are all with my students. So, and I did not realize it actually. Otherwise, I would have been taken it back for some time and again given it to them. Okay, fine. This is a crochet needle. These are crochet needles. These are used for the thick yarn, or they are little. See, these are having small points, and these are having not points, hook, I can say. It is known as crochet hook as well. Okay, and these are having the broad hooks. Okay, this is one thing. Then I told you about tapestry needle. See, these are plastic tapestry needles. Even you can use the steel tapestry needle. You can find single pieces of crochet hooks in arts shop. Sorry, or you can find them in on some social apps like Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho, Etsy Bitsy, or Magic Needles. So you can find them. Okay, these are still hooks. Whichever is comfortable for you, you can take it. You can use it. I mean to say. Okay, these are stitch removals. It means sometimes it happens that you want to make a pattern uh, which is crossing one another stitch. So during that time you need to remove the stitches. Sorry, you need to remove the stitches, and you have to take it on this. You can add, just push them here, keep here. These two sizes are there according to your yarn. Yarn may be your cotton yarn 0. I think 10 numbers yarn, 20 numbers yarn, 40 numbers yarn are also cotton yarns. But usually we use wool, acrylic wools. It comes in 4 ply, 8 ply, 10 ply, or some bulky wools. Even t-shirt yarn can be used for crochet work. Okay, these are, yeah, here I already have some more needles. I didn't realize it. See, you can find this thinner one. It is used for the according to, you have to use them according to your pattern. as well as the thickness of your yarn. Okay, other thing in this is, as I told you earlier, that there are some stitch markers. Okay, these are two types of stitch markers. It has open mouth, and this can be used as a safety pin. Yeah, you can use any of them, whichever you are comfortable with. It comes in all these I'm sorry. Here is needle covers. Especially these are for two long needles which we use for knitting purpose. And after completing one line or few lines, if you want to keep it down and do some other work, you can just insert the point of that needle here and you can lock it so that the stitches will not come out of the needle. Okay, and yeah, I'll show you 1 minute. This is also for the smaller needle. It comes in pair actually. Yes, there they are. See. Okay, and these are stitch markers. See, you can adjust as per your rows or the stitches. Sometimes it happens that you need to count the stitches. So when you require, especially after, say after 3 rows, so you are doing it, you're working on 3 rows, 5 rows, you can count them and actually you can help yourself that how many rows are completed. This is also stitch counter, not stitch counter, they are rows counter, lines counter. This is for one is very small, one is a little big. Okay, then here is a cutter, thread cutter. One more cutter comes in this, but in my package I got this. These are the basic things which is required for crochet work. Fine, let's start with the actual crochet work. Here, this is my 4-ply wool. Okay, 4-ply wool. Make a magic ring. It is very simple. See, just turn your thread like this, and this tail, is it visible? Yeah. So insert the loop here and tighten this becomes your magic ring. See, once again I am showing you. It is very simple. Turn your yarn like this, cross on this, and a small loop you have to make from this tail, yarn tail. Insert here from down to up, and with this hand where your continuous wool is there or a wool ball is there, just pull it. You will get this magic needle. Many times it happens that when you work in a circular way, you need to make the bigger magic ring. So simply take more, you can leave more longer tail, and then you can make the bigger magic ring. See this. Okay, and then you can work into this. After completion of one row specified in your pattern, whichever pattern you are following, specified in that, completing one row, just pull this yarn tail so that you can tighten it. Now I am showing you how to make chains. Okay, see here. Insert the hook. See that this point of the hook should be towards downside. Okay, and then look at this very carefully. This video I'm making for totally new or the beginner who want to learn crochet work. Okay, see here now. Okay, now this you inserted the hook, your thread is here. 1 minute. You inserted the hook, then see here how to turn your hook. Just take the hook from down to up from the back of the yarn. See here, from I have inserted the hook from down and bring it up from the back and just entangle the yarn into this, and with this point down, hook down, just pull it slowly. In the beginning you should make loose chains. These are chains which we are learning. See here again, do not remove crochet hook, okay, from the chain. You can make as long chain as you can. Okay, see here now. Once again, I am inserting this. I am just pushing it down and taking it up from the back of the yarn so that the yarn comes over the hook, and then pull it from this chain. Okay, so this is the very first step of doing chain. This is a very first step of doing chain. Now when you work for chains, see here now, in the beginning your chains would be little bigger, smaller, thinner, tighter, very tight or very loose. It happens. You need to practice them so that all your chains should be in the same manner. See here, if you observe this part, as I am showing you this, see, few chains are bigger, loose, few are tight, but from this you can observe that they are having a similar distance, right, between one another. See this. As you do, this is one kind of chain work which you do for embroidery also. Okay, so this is what a chain. Next, let's go to the single crochet. See, these are the basic things which every crocheter must learn. If you want to do some crochet work, you must learn these basics properly. Now see, one more thing you need to remember. I made this chain, okay? Sometimes it happens as a beginner, this thread or this 2-ply, 4-plies of the wool may get separated and the stitches or the chains entangled into that. In that case, what happens? When you want to redo your work, you cannot do it. See, how to know what is good crochet work is when you redo it, it should be easily removed from the stitches. Okay, that is known as good crochet work. These all things you need to take into consideration. Now see, I am showing you single crochet. I made this chain or the magic ring, and then I will insert Wait, let me make it little bigger. Okay, that's it. Now see, I hold it like this. Insert the hook. I have not taken any yarn over the hook, right? Insert the hook here and pull the yarn. Okay, see how you pull for chain, in the same manner you have to see. I inserted the hook in the magic ring, then I pushed it down to the back of the yarn, and the yarn is over the hook, and take it out. Okay, then take one chain. Fine. Now again insert the hook, take the yarn over the hook and pull it towards your side. Now you get 2 stitches on your hook, and now once again you have to pull the yarn out of that. Again, how to pull the yarn? Just push the hook behind the yarn and take it up. While doing this, automatically it happens that the yarn comes over the hook, and then hold here because you are a beginner, and pull this from both the loops on the hook. Okay, this is called single crochet. Once again I'll show you. I have this hook and one yarn or stitch on it. Loop is already there in the hook. Insert the hook in this magic ring, okay, from up to down, and then see, this is your yarn. Push it towards the back and take it up. So automatically what will happen? Your thread yarn will be on the hook, yarn over the hook, and pull it from this magic ring only. Okay, you get 2 stitches here, 2 loops on the hook. Again pull the yarn in the same way. See, once again I'll insert the hook here in this magic ring. I'll pull the yarn. I get 2 loops on the hook. Once again pull the yarn through all the stitches or these 2 loops. This is called single crochet. Once again I'll show you. Insert the hook here and pull the yarn towards your side, and then see, this is single crochet. We will stop here now because you need to practice this single crochet. See, while doing the single crochet, as a beginner, some stitches may be loose, some may be tight, some may be bigger, some may be smaller. But you need to practice them again and again, then only your stitches will be in a right manner. See, I'll show you. If the stitches go up and down, then your article or the product which you are making will not good. It will not be satisfactory. See here now. See, all my single crochets are having equal height. Okay, and as I told you, if I want to redo, I'll just pull the yarn and see how the yarn comes out. Yarn is removed from the work. See here. This is a side of good crochet work. Okay, fine. Try this. Let me know whether you like this video or not. Please let me know. We'll see tomorrow. Okay, bye bye. Enjoy crocheting.